Here's a 12-inch Lasko table fan. I have no idea what the date of this fan might be, but it does have the Wavy K logo. I don't know if that's an indicator. This might be from like the early 2000s. I would think it's newer than that, but I'm not really sure. Found this fan at a Goodwill outside of town, about a half hour away. I haven't seen any fans lately at the Goodwill store here in town for, I don't know, probably over 2 months. It's like the longest dry spell for fans I've seen at Goodwill. I did find one this weekend, so I got to take that back, but it was just a 6-inch clip fan. Other than that, I haven't seen any fans there. But I was pretty excited when I found this one because I didn't already have one of these. And there's a guy at work that has one of these in his work area, and it's the blade's like crazy out of balance and it vibrates like crazy, but it moves a lot of air. I was pretty impressed with it the first time I turned that fan on. This one took a pretty hard fall. At some point I glued that crack back together, but a lot of these clips are broken. There's probably like 3 of these clips where the little fastener part on the edge broke. It's got kind of like a pearl color on the blade, as well as the selector switch. The fan was really dirty. I cleaned it up as well as I could. Here's the price tag. I believe that this is the model 2500, as the sticker would indicate. I don't know if it's going to let me focus or not. Yeah, not sure about the date, but I think the model is 2500. There's another stamp on it somewhere. Type 12.1, style 2675. I don't know what that means. Draws 0.38 amps, no date. 07, is that it? 1007, is that the date code? I guess that would make sense. Seems about right. I think that's the date code actually. 1007. Yeah, I guess that would make sense. Thought they got rid of that wavy logo by then though. Maybe not. This fan runs pretty strong. Blade balance is it's a little sus. It's a little sussy, if you will. It does have some vibration to it. Here is the high speed. And I think you can hear the vibration. It does move a lot of air. About as much, well, I shouldn't say that, slightly less than the older fans, kind of like that Galaxy by Lasko fan that I showed the other day. It's not quite as strong as that, but it's not too far off. Speed 2. Seems like the vibration gets worse on the low speed. It's got some different sounds to it, and the head's starting to move around a little bit. Here's the oscillation. I think this could be a good fan. It's just they went too cheap on it. I guess it doesn't help that this thing probably fell off a table at some point. But, I mean, the fan at work is like this too, and I don't think that that one has any damage to it. It's super dirty, of course, but I don't think it has like a broken fan head or anything like that. But the vibration on that fan is worse somehow than this one. Yeah, I think this could be a good fan. Some of them probably are. I imagine that there are some of these out there where the blade is perfect and it doesn't have any vibration or weird sounds or anything and works the way that it's supposed to. So being that this one's damaged, it's probably not a fair example of what most of these would be like. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with this fan. And off. Oh, double F skis. Spin down's not terrible. Could have been better. I didn't split the motor though either. I just put in a little bit of oil where I could. Didn't spend too much time on it. Yeah, I don't know if I'll ever put this fan to use or not, but it would be a good one to keep around because I think that the motor on this is probably would be compatible with the older 12-inch fans because I think the blade and the blade nut would fit the motor shaft on those fans. So if I ever needed a motor for one of the older Lasko or Galaxy models, the 12-inch, I think this one would probably work, and it's a pretty strong motor. I think that it would be pretty good for one of those. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'll use this fan, but it'll be a good one to keep around for that purpose. So, yeah, that's a Lasko 12-inch fan. I think the model is 2500. I'll double check on that before I post the video. Make sure I get the model number right. Thanks for watching.